I bring you along. I'm really excited to get this done. We got the hitch in the back. Hitch, I don't know, it's not the little, it's the piece that they bolt to the bottom of the car. Anyway, alright, so we're on our way to Fresno. Well, I made it to Fresno, and I'm about, I think, 4 or 5 miles from this guy's place where he's going to work on the Bug.
Turn left onto the California 99 South Ramp. Found it first try. Anyway, I'm going to go in and see if I can get a hold of this guy. Be right back. Okay, so I'm at VW Place, and look at this. He has got a lot going on. So, look at that bus. I don't know if that'll show up on his sign or not, but that's him. Great guy, his name's John. And here he comes in my baby.
Did you get that from Home Depot?
What?
The trailer hitch?
No.
No?
I ordered it off Amazon.
Oh, you just looked up the correct number and it
The
came
one
up?
that you gave me, yeah. And because the one you gave me was like, this was $180.
Yeah, that's about what it said, 180.
Yeah.
And then I looked and there's a video of a guy installing one. It just says installing hitch, so I was like, well, let me see. And then the guy said, I see in the box, it said Kurt on it. And then he posted a picture of the part number. And then I looked back because I wrote the part number down. So I looked, that was the same number, and I was like, yeah. Because in the picture, it just shows the bars. It doesn't show how it bolted on with the U-bolt things. And then I was like, man. But I think it's the right one. I think it's the correct one. I was in the trailer last night.
Train your dogs to work.
I know. My kid said he was going to come home this week. He didn't come at all.
No stuff with that. Spark plugs, oil, some other stuff. I don't know what it all is, but I'll show you. Hello. So we got the new, because this thing was leaking. This is the gas tank. So we got that done, and I say we because, yeah, I helped him. That's the puppy. Say hi. Not interested. Anyway, so now he's working on doing a tune-up, and there was something wrong with one of the spark plugs. I'm not exactly sure where it went, but he said it looked like it had been taken out with a screwdriver or with pliers. I don't know where it went. Anyway, so he went to go get something for that. I don't know what. And then he'll be back. So now he's doing the tune-up, and then he'll put the hitch on. I guess it's called a hitch. I don't know. So that I can tow my little trailer with it. And then, oh, a speedometer cable. He's got to put that on because on the way to Fresno from my house, the speedometer cable came out unglued and quit working and started making one heck of a racket. So, new spark plugs, new spark plug cables, some kind of a new, I don't know what it's called, but it's, ouch. What did he put on? Something new in here, and then this, I think he called electronic starter or something. So yeah. And then this had already been just recently put on. I should have had him get a new filter. But anyway, so that's what we're doing. Just got to get that hitch put on there. The odometer cable. Oh, he's going to check my blinkers because they weren't working. Yeah, getting her done. Anyway. Alright, I'll be back. Getting the hitch put on. Hitch on a bug.
Look at that form. Yeah. That's novice right there.
Yeah.
Don't teach you that in high
That
school.
form was pro though.
Don't teach you that in automotive class. Okay.